My son Eric and I are going to Cuba for 10 days, and as part of our project about one bag, I've packed everything into my Aer X-Pac. So I want to just show you, kind of what we have packed in here so you can take a look at it. I'll show you what some of this stuff looks like. So the first thing we have in this exterior zipper is we have our travel plans, and we have some COVID masks. I've got a couple masks in there. Then we unzip over here. We've got all some soap, insect repellent, medicines, toothpaste, and some sunblock. Here in this bag, we have a bunch of medicines and some more insect repellent and some Dramamine. Here in this bag, got the Dude wipes. Never know when you'll need that. Some Duke Cannon lip balm my mom gave me for my birthday. Down here we've got a cologne and some plackers that are in a bag from some PEX piping from Home Depot. The toothbrushes, bring in a moleskin so I can write, a little journal there. Then here in this main compartment, I've got my huaraches. Those are Echo huaraches, so they're pretty comfortable, and some darn tough socks, wool socks. See how those work down there. This is one of my favorites. It's the little Eagle Creek. I can't remember what these are called, like a block that's full of underwear. And I've got my Sea to Summit wet dry bag so I can wash clothes or whatever. The Lonely Planet Cuba book, travel guide. So we'll give us something to read. Bring in my water pick, my razor, some probiotics there. I put them in a little case so they can travel. This is another one of those Eagle Creek things. It has this little packing guide, which doesn't really seem like it's that big of a deal, but it makes a huge difference. It holds everything in. I've got a Wool&Prince 100% merino wool t-shirt I'm taking. There's a Columbia shirt, I'm gonna take 4 shirts with me, and we'll plan on washing some of these while we're down there. Close this guy back up. And in here, got a swimsuit, swim shirt, another swimsuit, of course, handkerchiefs, don't leave home without them. Forgot about my little secret pocket in here. I don't have anything in there. In here, I keep my sleeping gear, so I've got some ear plugs and some a whistle if I go hiking anywhere, which probably won't happen. Then got my water bottle here on the side. This is a life straw, so if the water's questionable. I'm bringing a Anchor battery so I can hook up my cell phone and charge it. I don't really have too much, some cables and a battery charger there. These are a bunch of 1s and 5s. You have to take cash because they won't take credit cards. American credit cards are no good in Cuba. Here's another one of these cubes. I got 3 pairs of shorts in there. There's a little extra space. Maybe I'll put something in there. And I think that's pretty much it. Oh, here in the little side pocket here, we've got our passports and some snacks and treats. And that's pretty much it. So with that setup, we're ready to go to Cuba for a week and a half, 10 days, and do some different things down there. So thank you.